Welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we dive deep into the best products out there so you don't have to. Today, we're spotlighting what we believe is the best garbage bag for your kitchen. The Glad ForceFlex Tall Kitchen Trash Bags, 13-gallon, fresh clean scent 140-count pack. This product doesn't just hold trash, it locks away odor, resists rips and leaks, and brings a refreshing scent to your kitchen space. Let's take a closer look at what makes these bags stand out. Each bag is designed to hold up to 13 gallons of waste, making it perfect for standard kitchen trash bins. It's not just about size though, the true hero here is the ForceFlex technology. This patented stretchable material allows the bag to expand around sharp edges and bulky loads without tearing. That means fewer messes, less worry, and a whole lot more convenience during cleanup time. Let's talk strength. These bags feature 2-layer leak protection. That means they're built to handle the messiest kitchen tasks without giving in to leaks or spills. Whether it's wet food scraps, soggy paper towels, or heavy packaging, Glad ForceFlex bags are made to take it. The drawstring is another key feature. It's a strong 3-ply design that grips tightly to the can, stays in place, and makes it super easy to tie up and carry out your trash. Now here's where this product truly elevates the game: scent. These bags are infused with a fresh clean scent, powered by Febreze freshness. It's a subtle, steady release that helps your kitchen smell cleaner longer. On top of that, Odor Shield technology helps trap, lock, and neutralize unpleasant smells. So even when your trash can is full, your kitchen doesn't have to smell like it. Glad also puts sustainability in the spotlight. These trash bags are made using 100% renewable electricity for the manufacturing process at their US plants. That's a big win if you're environmentally conscious and want to make small choices that add up to a greener planet. You're not just buying trash bags, you're supporting cleaner energy. The pack includes 140 bags, and when you do the math, it comes out to about 16 cents per bag. That's a solid deal for the performance you're getting. There are also different sizes available, like 40, 80, and 110-count packs, but the 140 count gives you the best bang for your buck. Plus, it's Amazon's choice in its category. Always a good sign that you're buying something tried, tested, and trusted. You can grab this product directly from Amazon. It's available for international shipping, including to India, though shipping and import charges will apply. Still, for the durability, scent, and performance you're getting, many users will find it worth the cost. Just make sure to check delivery timelines based on your location. So if you're tired of garbage bags that tear, leak, or smell awful after a day or two, the Glad ForceFlex Tall Kitchen Trash Bags are the upgrade your home deserves. With reinforced strength, odor protection, fresh scent, and sustainable manufacturing, this product checks all the boxes. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest product reviews, and let us know in the comments what product you'd like us to test next. See you in the next video.